All right, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
You gotta get down.
You gotta get down.
What? Your fucking bones cracking and shit.
It's been doing that since I was a kid.
You ready?
Yeah. See, what are you doing? Like, I'm holding my crown. I don't even know what you're doing.
I swear I was gonna die.
You swear you was gonna die?
I just moved a tiny bit, and I was like, I died.
I didn't even do nothing.
I fell. I'm cracking up. You moved a little bit, and I just was like, I fell. The TV shattered.
I don't know what's up with you right now.
Oh my god. All right, so I had to sit here. You don't have wide shoulders though. You have to have your arms out. No, that's
What?
not how that go. This leg is gonna end up laying flat like that.
Okay.
You down too low. You're not gonna be able to get up.
Oh my god, yeah.
You down too low. You're not gonna be able to get up. Move up some. Right here. Okay.
But this is
But
like
you gotta open your arms. Cause I'm supposed to lay across your arms.
I'm really unbalanced. I'm unbalanced. What the fuck?
You're going down. Alright, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead. You can't do it. Jesus!
No. Yeah, let's stay on the side. Okay. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Jeez.
You're laughing, did it? You're laughing, did it?
That was horrible.
No, it wasn't.
I felt like my leg was going to pop out the socket.
Crazy.
Oh, Jesus. No. That was bad.
Was it?
OMG. You should have just reset the thing all stuffed up my butt. The camera fucked up.